Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you were just passing by, please consider subscribing. If you already subscribed, please like this video to motivate me to continue making videos for you. Share the video with somebody who you think would benefit from this information. Leave a comment if you want me to make a video on any topic or any subject. Okay, so I made a video about quitting your job to do full-time forex trading. I will leave a link in the description box, so go and check it out. But in case you are not planning to quit your job and you still want to do forex trading whilst working full-time, here is the video for you. First of all, I would say first tip is, it's an obvious one: have a plan. I would say make sure you set a plan to only trade during the breaks or after work, because you are still working full-time. You do not want to make your bosses angry, which makes sense, because they are paying you for the time that you are working for them. So if then they catch you doing your forex trading during the time that they are supposed to be paying you to be doing your work, I don't think they will be happy. So it's good that you keep your job separate from your forex trading. So I would say trade during your lunch break, your tea break, or you can wait after work, or you can do it before work. The beauty about forex trading is there are many sessions. Whatever your time zone, forex trading is a 24-hour a day, 5 days a week thing. If you're going to be trading things like binary options and boom and crash, those things can also be traded on weekends. So the point is, make sure your forex trading is not interfering with your job. So use your break time, or go and do your forex trading after or before work. You can, if for example you are in South Africa, you can choose to wake up very early in the morning and trade the Asian session. Of course, people don't like the Asian session because it's so slow, but because you are going to be at work, you are most likely going to not trade the London session and part of the New York session open. But when you come back from work, you can still catch a bit of the New York session and going into the Asian session. Second point is, I would trade higher time frames. Because you're working full-time, you don't have time to be looking at your charts every minute, every second. So what you could do is switch to trading higher time frames, swing trading and position trading. So you mostly use your daily time frame, your 4-hour time frame, or even the weekly, daily, 4-hourly, and maybe hourly if you can squeeze it, but mostly 4-hour, daily and weekly. So you do not have to always be looking at your charts or being in front of the computer. You can still focus on your work, and your bosses will not even know that you are doing forex trading. So the beauty about swing trading and position trading is you can do your analysis probably for an entire week. You can get an entry and that entry might last you an entire week or several days. So for several days you don't even need to touch anything. And the advantage of swing trading, position trading also is that statistics, they favor those who trade higher time frames. Statistically, those who trade higher time frames have been shown to be more profitable than day traders who trade lower time frames. So you don't necessarily need to quit your job to do forex trading. Just switch over to higher time frames. Another tip is to make use of pending orders. I don't know if you understand pending orders, but they are buy limits, sell limits, buy stops, sell stops, and things like that. What it means is you can wake up early in the morning, do your analysis, and you can set your pending orders to be triggered even when you are not at the charts. When you are not at the charts, when you have done your analysis, you can set your pending orders and you can go out and do your 9 to 5. When you come back from work and you come back and see what happened, when you set your pending orders, you even set your take profits and your stop losses. So basically it's like automated trading. It's like automated trading and you didn't need to be there. So that's another tip. Make sure you understand how to do pending orders and how to exploit them. Then I would also make use of alerts. Your MetaTrader, you can set alerts on MetaTrader. I don't know how many people know that, but basically you can set alerts on MetaTrader for price points. If price reaches a certain point, you can set an alert so that it comes to your phone or your email and it tells you Euro USD has reached this point, and if it's a point that was of interest to you and you were planning to get into the market at that point, you can quickly sneak out to the bathroom and quickly place your trades and come back and continue with your job. So that's the points that you can use to trade forex whilst maintaining a full-time job without quitting your job. So basically, make sure you don't make your bosses angry. So try and trade during the break time or after work or before work. Make sure you try the higher time frames. So I would go for swing or position trading. Then understand and take advantage of pending orders. Use pending orders so you don't have to be watching the charts. You set your pending orders and you walk away. Whilst you're at your job, things are happening with your account. Then have alerts. You can basically set gold to a certain price point where you think you might want to get into the market, and you get an alert on your phone or via email, and then you can quickly go and place your trades. I hope this has helped you, and like this video if it was helpful. Leave a comment if you need me to expand on anything. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until next time, bye.